Today we read Jeremiah 14 through 17. We're on day 223 of responding to our Bible reading with worship. Jeremiah 17, 7 through 8 says, "But blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. They will be like a tree planted by the water that sends out its roots by the stream. It does not fear when heat comes. Its leaves are always green. It has no worries in a year of drought and never fails to bear fruit." Would you respond in worship with me as we sing Sparrows from Cory Asbury?
Sparrows not worry about tomorrow or the troubles that come. The lily's not thinking about the seasons, the drought or the flood. A tree that's planted by the water isn't fazed by the fire. So why should I be? 'Cause you take good care of me. You take good care of me. You know what I need before I even ask a thing. You hold me in your hands with a kindness that never ends. Carried in your love no matter what the future brings. 'Cause you take good care of me. The sun's not worried about the winter, 'cause soon it will pass. The light's not thinking about the darkness or the shadow it casts. A heart that's planted in forgiveness doesn't dwell in the past. So why should I be? 'Cause you take good care of me. You take good care of me. You know what I need before I even ask a thing. You hold me in your hands with a kindness that never ends. Carried in your love no matter what the future brings. You take good care of me. I know there must be more. I can't get past your kindness. I know there's got to be more, but I can't get past your goodness. I know there must be more, but I can't get past your kindness. I know there's got to be more, but I can't get past your goodness. Oh, I can't get past your goodness. 'Cause you take good care of me. You take good care of me. You know what I need before I even ask a thing. You hold me in your hands with a kindness that never ends. And carried in your love no matter what the future brings. You take good care of me.
The man who trusts in God, his soul flourishes even in a drought. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I'm Debbie, and I'll see you tomorrow.